Welcome to Techmirror, the best voltage converter in 2026. In this video, we break down the top options that keep your devices safe and powered anywhere in the world. Whether you are traveling or using high-powered electronics, we have got you covered. Stay tuned to find the perfect converter for your needs, and do not forget to check the links in the description. Number 5. The KVOHBED Voltage Converter US to Europe Travel Adapter is a practical solution for travelers who need reliable power conversion across European countries. Designed specifically for American devices, it efficiently converts 220 to 250 volts down to 110 to 125 volts, ensuring compatibility with common electronics used in the United States. It supports Type C, E, and F sockets, making it suitable for destinations such as France, Germany, Italy, and Spain, though it is not compatible with United Kingdom outlets. With a maximum capacity of 1500 watts, this converter is ideal for powering single-voltage devices like hair dryers, laptops, and small appliances. Its electronic switching technology replaces bulky traditional transformers, resulting in a lightweight and portable design that is easy to carry during travel. The compact size also helps save valuable luggage space. One of its standout features is the 6-in-1 charging capability. It includes 2 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 USB-C ports, allowing users to charge up to 6 devices simultaneously. This makes it highly convenient for business travelers and digital nomads who rely on multiple devices. The integrated Smart IC technology ensures efficient and safe charging by automatically detecting power requirements. If fast charging is not supported, it defaults to a safe standard output to protect device batteries. Additionally, built-in safety features such as surge protection, overcurrent protection, and short-circuit protection provide peace of mind, especially during overnight use. Overall, it is a dependable and travel-friendly power solution. Number 4. The TREVOLTY 2000W Voltage Converter US to Europe is a powerful and versatile travel companion designed for users who need reliable voltage conversion across multiple countries. Built with a professional-grade step-down transformer, it converts 220 volts to 110 volts efficiently, allowing American devices to function safely in more than 150 destinations. With included plug types G, C, I, and L, it covers regions such as the United Kingdom, Europe, Australia, and parts of Asia, making it a truly global solution. This unit stands out with its 7-in-1 functionality. It features one high-capacity dual-voltage socket, 2 dedicated converter outlets with a combined 1000-watt capacity, and 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C options. This setup allows users to power up to 7 devices at once, including laptops, smartphones, cameras, and small appliances. It is especially useful for travelers carrying multiple gadgets. The converter is also suitable for hair dryers under 1000 watts, which is a key advantage for frequent travelers who prefer using their personal styling tools. Despite its power, the device remains compact and portable, fitting easily into a travel bag without adding significant weight. Safety is a strong point, with 6 layers of protection, including overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit safeguards. It operates quietly, avoiding the noise often associated with traditional converters. Overall, this converter delivers dependable performance, convenience, and peace of mind for international travel. Number 3. The Ceptics 2000W Travel Voltage Converter is a well-engineered solution for travelers who need dependable power conversion for both high-wattage and low-wattage devices. Designed with patented technology, it converts 220 volts to 110 volts efficiently, making it suitable for use across Europe, Asia, Australia, and Africa. A key highlight is its ability to support a non-electronic hair dryer up to 2000 watts, while simultaneously powering smaller devices like curling irons and straighteners up to 200 watts through separate outlets. This converter offers excellent versatility with the ability to charge up to 6 devices at once. It includes 1 high-power outlet, 2 standard outlets, 3 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port with QC 3.0 fast charging support. The intelligent charging system automatically detects the connected device and delivers optimal current, ensuring efficient and safe charging for smartphones, tablets, and other electronics. The SWAT-apt compatibility system enhances its global usability by supporting multiple plug types, including A, B, C, E, F, G, and I. This allows it to function seamlessly in a wide range of countries without the need for additional adapters. Despite its capabilities, the unit remains compact and travel-friendly, with a manageable size and a convenient 5-foot cable for flexible placement. Safety features are robust, including a silent cooling fan, surge protection, overcurrent protection, and automatic shutdown. While it does not support certain high-end electronic hair dryers, it performs reliably with standard models. Overall, it is a powerful and versatile travel companion. Number 2. The HYTED 1600W 220V to 110V voltage converter is a powerful and versatile solution for travelers who need reliable performance when using American appliances abroad. Designed to convert 220 to 250 volts down to a stable 120-volt pure sine wave output, it ensures safe operation for a wide range of devices. From hair dryers and curling irons to coffee makers and CPAP machines, this converter supports appliances up to 1600 watts, making it suitable for both personal care and household use. One of the standout advantages of this model is its true plug-and-play functionality. Unlike many converters that have strict limitations, this unit is built to handle various types of equipment without complicated setup. It also includes 4 international plug adapters covering Type-C, G, I, and E or F outlets, allowing compatibility in more than 160 countries, including most of Europe, the United Kingdom, and parts of Asia and Australia. Safety is a major strength of the HYTED converter. It features multiple layers of protection, such as over-temperature, over-current, overload, surge, and short-circuit protection. The intelligent protection system automatically shuts off power and signals an issue through an indicator light, eliminating the need for manual fuse replacement and enhancing reliability. Despite its strong performance, the unit remains compact and practical for travel, with a sturdy build that supports wall mounting if needed. Backed by CE and UL certifications and a 2-year warranty, this converter delivers dependable performance, safety, and convenience for international travel needs. Number 1. The EPICKA 2000W Pure Sine Wave Voltage Converter is a premium choice for travelers who need reliable and safe power conversion for both high-demand and sensitive electronics. Designed to convert 220 to 240 volts down to 110 to 120 volts, it delivers a clean, pure sine wave output that closely matches standard household electricity in the United States. This makes it ideal for devices such as hair dryers, curling irons, coffee makers, and CPAP machines, while also protecting delicate electronics from damage. A major strength of this converter is its 6-in-1 functionality. It includes 2 AC outlets along with 4 USB ports, featuring 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C connections. One of the USB-C ports supports up to 20-watt power delivery fast charging, making it convenient for smartphones, tablets, and other portable devices. The built-in smart chip automatically adjusts power output for efficient and stable charging. The universal plug system enhances its usability across multiple regions. It supports Type-C, F, G, and I plugs, allowing seamless use in Europe, the United Kingdom, Australia, and parts of Asia. This eliminates the need to carry multiple adapters during international travel. Safety is a key highlight, with features such as grounding protection, safety shutters, and advanced internal safeguards to prevent overheating and electrical risks. Despite its robust performance, the unit remains portable and travel-friendly, with a manageable size and included storage pouch. Overall, it is a dependable and high-performance voltage converter for global travel. That wraps up our picks for the best voltage converters in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the right option for safe and reliable power wherever you go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides and reviews. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to check out the links in the description for more details.